Everyone, Miguel here. Welcome guys to the channel. Well, for today guys, I am bringing you a very simple video, but very important if you are already a member of $12 per click, or if you're not yet but you would like to, guys. This video is very important. I'm gonna show you how to watch your ads. Very simple, okay? Very simple. You need to stay until the end if you have any issue with this, okay? Where to go. In this specific case, I'm gonna show you how to do this on your laptop, okay? On your desktop computer, and probably I will do a different video showing how to do this on your mobile phone also, right? So that it can be easier for you, so that you don't miss a beat in here. Alright guys, don't forget down below to give that like, subscribe to my channel, and also I have a link for you down below on the description to join under me here on $12 per click. Alright guys, so very simple guys. Here on the dashboard, you scroll a little bit down. You need your level 1 ads, which is 1 time $12.50, and then here you see 12 DPC ads, so $12 per click ads, and very simple, you'll see different ads in here from different members. So very simple guys, all you need to do is here on the right you will see watch 15 seconds, 20 cents, several videos, okay, different advertisers, different ways to earn, okay, you choose whatever you want, you click there, and okay, so again this ad is no longer active. Sometimes this happens, it has to do with the clicks that are remaining. Click another one and see, okay, from my experience guys, when this happens, all you need to do is to refresh the page, so F5 if you're on a desktop computer. You scroll a little bit down, let's see, so you have, as you can see, now have 2 ads available. Click here, and very simple guys, you see here on the top, watching ad, viewing ads, earn 20 cents. The timer here goes down, and after the timer is through, all you need to do is here on the bottom right, you see here confirm, you see click here confirm, and success, you earn 20 cents, and after 1 second or 2 it leads you back to the main page. And as you can see, I have now 2 ads available here. I'll try this one, okay, loading again, same thing, okay, the ad, in this case this ad is not showing, okay, again here on the bottom, on the top, the timer running, going down, you click here on confirm, and all good, success, you earn 20 cents, and then you go and you do the same thing again, okay, one simple cycler, or you can only click, and also guys, you can only click the same ads, the same thing guys. If this happens, refresh the page, and most likely it will appear some more ads, okay. I have here one again, okay. And important, don't forget, you can watch maximum 15 ads per day if you are on level 1, which is $12.50 to get started. You earn 20 cents times 15, so you earn $3 on level 1 till you reach our cycle. You can see here on the bottom, okay, your locked cycle funds. Alright, you have $25 on level 1, and when you reach the $25, then $12 are going to be released to your withdrawal balance, and then again $12.50 are going to be used to purchase another level 1 ad, and you can start the process again. If you would like eventually to upgrade to level 2, which is $105, you can do that. through one or 2 days of each cycle, and after that you can send funds your purchase balance and then do the upgrade. All right, guys, this is very simple. Okay, very simple, very straightforward system that you can use to really create very good advertising, and also at the same time bring some more revenue to us. All right, guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my channel. Down below I will leave a link for you to join me here on $12 per click. If you don't have anything to promote, you can join me also on my main project, which is Bytnex. I will also leave a link on the description for you to join me. All right, and guys, I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much for listening, and I will see you on the next one.